Hello everybody, how are you? Warmly welcome back to Crochet Mart, very smart and unique ideas. Dear viewers, today we brought something special for you. So leave everything just for now and come closer to me because in this video I have brought something for your kids. Dear viewers, first of all, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe it now. Press bell icon also. Crochet toys offer a wide range of benefits for both makers and receptionists. Here are some basic advantages of crochet toys which we would like to discuss with you. The first and the main one is fun to make. It's really very enjoyable for both beginners and experienced crafters. If you are thinking that it will be very tough, no, never. There is nothing like that. If you want to start crocheting, you just make decision for yourself. You start it today. You really enjoy the crocheting crafts. Promotes mindfulness. The process of crocheting can be meditative. Encourages empathy. Children learn to care for their toys. Cultural representative. Can reflect cultural heritage through design. Portable. This is also the thing which is very special for crocheting. You don't need to make any office for some specific space. Even you are traveling somewhere, you can carry on your work in your car, in your home, in your friend's house. Anywhere you can carry on your work, even in park also. But one thing must be here, you should love with crocheting. Versatility, suitable for various age groups and occasions. There are no restrictions for any age, for any person, for any nationality, for any color. You can implement all type of crochet. Community fosters connections among crafters through groups and online platform. Accessibility can be made with minimal tools and materials. Affordability, often cheaper than commercial toys, especially when made at home. Gift potential. This one the second point which I'm always discussing in my videos. If you have any of your special friends and you wanna give him very special gift so that he can remember that gift for a long time, I mean for 100 years. So we have very good suggestion for you. If you know crocheting, it will be very well for you. But if you don't know crocheting, don't worry, we have very smooth solution for that. You just find the person who know the crocheting, just contact with him and make a polite order to that guy. He can prepare something special for your kids, for your friends' kids, and for you. I'm sure if you give that gift to your special friend, he will remember that gift for hundreds of years. Make for thoughtful, unique parents. Dear viewers, if you really love to watch this video, don't forget to share and like so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful video. One other thing, I'm always looking for your beautiful comments. Even if you want to give some negative comments, don't worry. I am ready to listen to your negativity. I will try my best to change myself, to change my videos, to change my designs as you desired. So please don't leave without sending an SMS. We'll be thankful for that. We will continue our video. Imaginative play encourages creativity and storytelling. Handmade quality. Each toy has a personal touch and craftsmanship. With the happy ending, today's video hope will meet you in next video with another very smart and unique ideas. So keep in touch with our channel. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.